friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking pineapple on a grill. So the first thing I'm going to do is preheat the grill. So let's open the lid and turn on the grill. I'm turning it on high. And I'm going to close the lid so it preheats quickly. So here I have pineapple. So I sliced it into rings like this, or you can also slice it into long spears. It doesn't really matter which way you cut it, as long as the pieces are big enough not to fall, through the grill. So it doesn't matter how you slice it. You have your pineapple slices. The only other ingredient I'm going to use is olive oil. And the only reason I'm using oil is just to prevent sticking to the grill. So, on some grills, some people cook without oiling that stuff. And so if you do it routinely, just don't use the oil. But I don't want to risk it. I don't want it getting stuck. So I am going to brush it with oil just to make it less prone to sticking. So I'm going to pour a little bit of oil here in the dish. And I'll just brush the pineapple slices with oil on both sides. And you don't have to use olive oil. You can use any kind of vegetable oil. I'll flip them over and brush the other side. Okay, so now I've prepared the pineapple. I find it doesn't really need any other seasonings. Some people add sugar. I think it's already naturally sweet. So if you want to add seasonings, go ahead. I'm not going to. I think also grilling makes it even more sweet. It really brings out the flavor. So let's open the grill. It should be preheated by now. I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-low. And I'm going to add pineapple slices. And now let's cover the grill so they cook quicker and more evenly. And I'm going to check it after 3 minutes. So it's been 3 minutes. Let's take a look at the pineapple. So you can just check one to see, how grilled it is on this side. So let's see the other side. So I can see the grill marks. So I'm going to flip it. Nice. So if you don't see the grill marks, it means you can just increase the heat. It really depends on the grill, how hot you want it, or just cook it for a few more minutes. Flip them all. And now let's cover the grill, and I'm going to cook them for 4 more minutes this time, and they should be ready. And again, cook them to as tender as you'd like them. So let's check in 4 minutes, and then we'll take them off the grill. So now after cooking for 4 minutes on the second side, the pineapple is ready. Awesome. Show you it's nicely grilled on this other side as well. And it should be tender and so good. Now let's turn off the heat. And then take the pineapple off the grill. So let me just show you the other side, just so you could see. So it's uniformly grilled on both sides. Perfect. Look at this delicious pineapple. It makes a perfect healthy dessert, and grilling really brings out the flavor. So now let me just have it cool down for 5 minutes and we'll try it. So now the pineapple has cooled down a bit, so let's try it. Just cut it piece. So look how juicy. So it's perfectly grilled on both sides and uniformly cooked inside. It's so juicy, so warm, with such deep grilled flavor. This is awesome. You're going to love it. So you can have it by itself as a healthy dessert. You can have it with ice cream. You can have it as a side dish, appetizer. There's so many ways to eat it, but people love those grilled pineapples. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipe, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!